Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to disable USB ports in Windows 11. First method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand Universal Serial Bus Controllers, right-click USB Root Hub, disable device. Second method is Edit Group Policy, click Edit Group Policy. Click and expand Administrative Templates, click and expand System. Click Removable Storage Access, open all removable storage classes, deny all access, change to enabled. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.